Obstructive sleep apnea is a risk factor for developing heart attacks and stroke. Snoring is not harmless. Snoring is a sound. Just simple snoring is only a problem to your bed partner. But if snoring is associated with increased daytime sleepiness, you wake up tired even after having a good night's sleep, and you have choking episodes in between, you're having mouth breathing, dry mouth when you're sleeping, then it might be a clue to something extra, something dangerous, which is called obstructive sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea is a risk factor for developing heart attacks and stroke.